Good morning, everyone. This is Meilan from Belgian Chinese Tea Center and also the responsible for Belgian Chinese Tea Academy in Antwerp. Today, I received a questions about which type of oolong is better than the other one. For example, light fermented versus traditional fermented. Okay, I think in the oolong there's a lot of choices you can have because the oxidation and the fermentation level starting from the 10% to 85, even higher, you can have this range. And on top of it, this is just the difference from the oxidation and fermentations. And on top of it, especially on the traditional side, you can also have the oolongs either being roasted with the electronical the oven, or using the charcoal fire that give a different flavor and the taste and also the energy level. Okay, the feeling is totally different. So there's no need to do the comparison. It's a matter of choice. However, we can see from the light fermented and the difference between the light fermented and the traditional fermented, okay, the heavy aroma as well. First of all, there's the light fermented allowed you to enjoy the pleasant aroma from the dry leaves already. And also the very floral and very charming greenish flavor. And why the traditional heavier oxidated and fermented oolong then will give you more intensive from the fruity caramel sweetness and sweet potatoes, all this earthy and the woody sweetness flavor. Okay, and also give you more complex flavor and taste in the multiple layers. That is the things we can see from these two. Then how about the taste and the brewing? Light fermented oolong does give you very pleasant and a very refreshing taste, while the traditional oolong, you probably have to pay more attention on how to brew it, because the flavor can be very intense in the second infusions, while the light fermented also intensive, but it's in the more refreshing. Okay, sometimes if you don't brew it properly, the bitterness will come out. So with the oolong, you do have to take care of how to brew it. Now, personally, I found the most interesting difference between the light fermented and traditional, especially with the charcoal roasted oolong, okay, traditional oolong, is this. Light fermented oolong does not allow me to brew too many times. Probably about 3, 4, but good quality charcoal roasted traditional oolong sometimes can allow me to enjoy it 8, even more, 12 times with the same volume. I'm talking about the same volumes. Okay, it's about 1 gram against a 50 milliliter water, or 35. If you want to do the gongfu tea, then you do the 1 against 35. But gongfu tea is not for every day. Okay, you only drink it after a heavy meal. My suggestion is that. Okay, and avoid drinking very strong. Drinking very strong oolong, gongfu cha, does not mean that when you are able to enjoy it, very strongly brewed gongfu cha, then you know about tea. No. It is about, can you sense the complexity in the multiple layers? Can you enjoy that journey together with the change of flavor and taste? It's not about challenge your stomach. It's not about prove what can you do or who you are. It's about take a moment of enjoying being yourself. So light fermented and traditional fermented, the difference, there's a lot of varieties for you to make a choice. Just like in life, there's a lot of choice. You can choose something is very playful, charming, and fun, and give you a lot of outside, okay, pleasure. But you can also choose the one to choose to live the life very sober, gentle, and calm. It's a matter of choice. When we were young, we all have been young, aren't we? Okay, we have been naive and even arrogance. But when we get older, we start to learn the importance of focus and keep our head down. Keeping head down does not mean you are less worse. Only means you know how to control. This is Mei Lan from Belgian Chinese Tea Culture Associations and also the responsible for Belgian Chinese Tea Academy. I see you next time.